Happy Monday. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. I am excited, you guys. I know I say that probably in every video, but I have a subscription, the Spiritual Guru box, as you can see from the title down below. And I'm saying this is a new subscription because I have only unboxed this one other time on my channel, and that was pushing a year ago. So I consider it new. If it's been more than 6 months since it's been on my channel and it comes back, it's new. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about Spiritual Guru box before we get in here. This is the June 2019 box. Spiritual Guru box is a box. Okay, you're going to receive 5 to 7 items every month, and they could be like essential oils, crystals, boho jewelry, just different things. And I think it's really awesome because it is such a variety, and I don't know, this stuff is interesting to me, so I do kind of like to see what we get. So we will dive in here in just a second. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. This box is $44.95 a month with $6 shipping. Now, you obviously can save if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months, as with most subscriptions. But I do also have a coupon code that they gave me to share with you guys, and that is Nicki, Nicki 19. So Nicki 19, and that will get you 25% off your first order. So I will put that down below as well. I do want to say thank you to Spiritual Guru Box for sending this to me to review. I do appreciate it. So again, they did send this to me to share with you guys, so let's dive in here and see what June 2019 is all about, if I don't knock myself out with the box. So, we are going to open her up and see if I can. It's Monday, y'all. It's Monday. It is 110% Monday. All right, so when we open it, it says sending good vibes. And then this is what we see inside wrapped up. So fill that back. And then once we've filled it back, we can see in here goodies that we will get to in just a second. So we have, so there is always a candle in each box, and I'm going to go ahead and read to you about this candle because that kind of goes with the second sheet. And it is the love candle. It is right here. Joy and tranquility. And then it has the Spiritual Guru logo. This month's candle is infused with natural essential oils, including orange and grapefruit. It starts with top notes of apple, luscious peach, and ripe grapefruit that give way to beautiful middle notes of cherry blossom and hydrangea. Gosh, that sounds amazing. I'm going to open it here and smell it in just a second. Retail value of this is $23. Now, the reason I wanted to show you guys this first is because inside each of these candles, by the time you burn it down, there is a crystal. And it'll tell you here, based on which crystal you end up finding in your candle, different things like amethyst, peacock pyrite, rose quartz, clear quartz, fluorite. So there's all different kinds that could end up being in here. And then once you get yours out, you can read here about that crystal. So let's give this a smell. This description sounds amazing. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Can you see the sparkly? Yes. Oh, that smells so good. Y'all, that smells so good. It's fresh and fruity, and it just smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, So that's our candle, and again, $23. I am going to read this here. It says, the story behind our spiritual guru candles. We didn't just want to make candles, we wanted to help bring balance and harmony into your life. But how do you do that when everyone is so unique and different from one another? You create unique candles. We have intuitively chosen and placed different stones or crystals into each of our candle tins before we pour them. Then we create our candles with the intention of each person receiving the perfect crystal or stone, one they may need in their life at that moment in time. Because every crystal and stone holds and emits a different vibration or energy, each one will bring a different energy into your life. Then each candle is intuitively chosen before we mail them out. If you are wondering why you may have gotten your particular stone or crystal, you can refer to our candle chart. Namaste. So that is the candle chart here. So the crystal candle chart. So I can't wait to see which crystal I got and why I got that crystal. So now we have our card here telling us, so I'm guessing the theme here is love. So I'm all about that. So let's see. Work your light oracle cards. Your oracle card was intuitively pulled and placed in your box just for you. Excuse me. Each box contains a different card. Each card holds a special message. If you read the card, if the card resonates with you, wonderful. If it does not, it might be meant for another person in your life. Take a moment and tune into your intuition and see who comes to mind. It's a fun way to practice your intuitive skills. So let's get our card. Which I'm guessing is this. Maybe. I don't know. Let me see. I'm guessing this is it. Is this it? Is this it, y'all? I don't even know. This isn't anywhere else on here. So this must be it. And then the back says the crumbling. What are you clinging on to? Interesting. It does make you think, doesn't it? What are you clinging on to? All right, so there is that. Now we will get into the actual items of the box. So we've had the candle, and now this says wisdom from the 4 agreements. Right here. This mini gift book excerpts his best-selling original book to present a condensed version of The 4 Agreements by author Don Miguel Ruiz. Tuck it in your purse, briefcase, or desk drawer for inspiration on the go or at work. Comes with a 24-karat gold-plated charm on its ribbon bookmark. It's a retail value of $10. So there's the little charm it was talking about. And it does have a to and from, so if you decide to gift, you can do that. Let's see where it had it marked. Let's see where. I just want to see. This is where it was marked. It's not halfway through or anything. It's probably just where the ribbon fell. So I just want to read here this little passage. Taking things personally makes you easy prey for those predators who try to send you emotional poison. They can hook you easily with one little opinion and feed you all their emotional garbage. When you take it personally, you eat it up and now it becomes your garbage. But if you don't take it personally, you are immune to their poison. You will not eat it. Immunity to emotional poison is the gift of this agreement. Interesting. I do like that it has like a little cover. That is super cute, and that is really pretty. All right, and that had a $10 value. So we have 3 more items here in the box. Excuse me. All right, so this first item right here is in this little black satin bag, and it is very pretty. Pink zebra bracelet, and it's stretchy. That is actually really pretty. This pink zebra bracelet is a perfect complement to the necklace. It is a calming and soothing stone, which is very helpful in overcoming stress or anxiety. It also aids in spiritual awareness when working with earth, nature, or the universal energy. And this has a retail value of $20. I do really like this bracelet. I think it is really pretty. The colors are pretty. They're like pink and light gray, white, and get to black. It's super, super cute. Now, obviously, we know what's going to be in this bag because it kind of told us. This is really, really pretty. So, this is the pink zebra necklace with rose quartz. Excuse me. Pink zebra is a nurturing and grounding stone which helps one tune into Mother Earth and positive vibrations which surround you. It also balances heart energy, which can help with emotional healing. Paired with rose quartz is a perfect combination when working with love energy. This has a retail value of $60. So you can see that these stones do perfectly match this bracelet. And it is a long necklace that comes down with this beautiful rose quartz right here, and then this cream colored tassel. So that is so beautiful. I just think this is gorgeous. So beautiful. And this has a $60 value if I did not already say that. So just that and the bracelet is $80. We do have one more item left. Now, before I go into this next item, I want to see if you guys are still here because we are almost 13 minutes into this video. So I want to see who's really paying attention and watching most of my videos like all the way through. So I'm actually going to go ahead and insert a sneak peek to our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, I am waiting on one item to arrive. Other than that, everything you see is part of the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm going to insert that picture right now. All right, so you just got a sneak peek of our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. That is because you were still here. To let me know that you were still here, in your comment, please include, trying to think of like your regular comment, but I would like to see some type of flower emoji so that I know you were actually watching the entire video. So flower emoji in your comment, doesn't matter which one, just include some sort of flower emoji. So anyway, we're going to move on to our final item, which is a rose quartz heart. Rose quartz is the pure stone of love. Its energy envelops you with love, and its soothing vibrations calm and cleanse the entire auric field. I don't know if I said that correctly. I apologize. It links one's personal heart to the heart of Mother Earth, the divine, and the universe. This is a $20 retail value. So, definitely getting the love vibe here with this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. You guys, that is so beautiful. I'm going to find somewhere like in my bedroom just to set this like on my nightstand. That is so gorgeous. And it is like solid. But it is so beautiful. I love this so much. So, to recap, we have this gorgeous rose quartz heart. We have the pink zebra necklace with the rose quartz here on the bottom. We have the matching pink zebra bracelet right here. And then we had the little mini, the 4 Agreements, or Wisdom from the 4 Agreements book, which is super cute. And then this amazing smelling love candle, which is the theme, which I'm actually going to go light because I think, first of all, it smells fantastic, but I can't wait to see what my crystal is, or stone, and kind of see what I needed. So I do want to remind you guys, we do have the Luxury Divas giveaway and the Thrifted Bag giveaway. Both are 4th of July giveaways, so they are ending this week, the 28th and the 29th. So definitely go ahead, links are below, check them out. If you have not entered already, go ahead and do so. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, again, leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Spiritual Guru box. Again, I will leave that link down below and that coupon code if you would like to sign up. I hope you all have a fantastic Monday, and I will see you at the next one. Bye!